Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I package my pieces. So when someone orders or I'm packaging a gift, this is the process I go through. So I also recorded how I made all these things: the shrug, the scrunchie, the bralette, and the purse. I'm going to post everything on my channel, so please subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I post those videos. I also have a playlist for sewing tutorials, crochet projects. They are on my channel already. I'm going to continue posting amazing pieces for you guys. So without further ado, let's just get into this amazing video. guys, that's all I have for this video. This was how I packaged this amazing crochet set. Guys, it's beautiful. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, join in as a member as well, comment in the comment section. I'll be ready to work with your ideas. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.